Welcome to our latest video on 10 secrets to a successful and harmonious family life. In today's fast-paced world, finding balance and happiness in our family life can be challenging. But it's not impossible. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 10 tips to help you achieve a happy and balanced family life. We've compiled some great tips to help you create and enjoy a happy and balanced family life. Tip number 1. Communication is key. Keep the lines of communication open within your family and talk things through when you have differences. Tip number 2. Create family traditions and make time for them. Whether it's a weekly game night, annual camping trip, or baking cookies on Sundays, traditions help to create lasting memories. Tip number 3. Give each other space. It's important to respect each other's personal time and interests. Tip number 4. Make sure to set aside time for self-care. If we're not happy and balanced individually, it's difficult to create a happy and balanced family life. Tip number 5. Share responsibilities. Everyone in the family can help out with household tasks and chores. Tip number 6. Be open-minded and accepting of differences. Each member of your family may have their own unique perspective, and that can help make for a more diverse and interesting family life. Tip number 7. Prioritize quality time over quantity of time. Whether it's reading a book together or going for a walk, make sure to truly engage with each other during your time together. Tip number 8. Solve problems together. If an issue arises, approach it as a team and work towards a solution that works for everyone. Tip number 9. Learn to say sorry and forgive. Apologizing and forgiving each other shows that your family is committed to moving forward in a positive way. Tip number 10. Celebrate each other's accomplishments, big and small. Recognize and appreciate the hard work and achievements of your family members. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more